When was the last time you reviewed your investment portfolio? Or perhaps the better question is, have you ever taken the time to review it at all? Well, no time like the present, right? In the world of investments, staying informed and making adjustments when necessary can make the difference between a profitable portfolio and a stagnant one. First things first, it's crucial to understand what reviewing your portfolio means. It's not merely glancing at your balance once in a blue moon. It involves a thorough examination of your investments, their performance, and whether they still align with your financial goals. So, where to begin? Step 1. Identify your financial objectives. Are you saving for a down payment on a house? A comfortable retirement, perhaps? Or maybe you're stashing away funds for your child's college education. Whatever your goals might be, clearly define them. They will serve as the roadmap for your investment journey. Step 2. Evaluate your current holdings. What are your investments, and how are they performing? Are any of your stocks underperforming? How about your bonds, mutual funds, or real estate investments? Understanding where your investments stand can help you make informed decisions about future adjustments. Step 3. Analyze the market. Keeping an eye on market trends can provide valuable insights. Is there a particular sector that's booming? Perhaps it's time to consider diversifying your portfolio to include some of these rising stars. Step 4. Consider your risk tolerance. It's a delicate balance, really. If you're young, you might be willing to take on more risk for potentially higher returns. But as you age, you might want to shift towards more conservative investments. Step 5. Make adjustments. After analyzing your goals, evaluating your holdings, studying the market, and considering your risk tolerance, it's time to make changes. Sell off underperforming assets, invest in new opportunities, or rebalance your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your risk tolerance and goals. Remember, reviewing and adjusting your portfolio isn't a one-time task. It's a continual process. The financial market is like a living, breathing entity constantly evolving. So too must your investment strategy. To summarize, start by identifying your financial objectives. Evaluate your current holdings. Keep an eye on the market trends. Consider your risk tolerance, and finally, make the necessary adjustments. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to reviewing and adjusting your investment portfolio. It might seem daunting, but with a little time, patience, and diligence, you can ensure your investments work harder for you. Come back for more financial insights and tips. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.